Ever wondered about the empire that spanned 3 continents and lasted for over 600 years? Let's dive into the epic story of the Ottoman Empire. It all began around 1299 with a Turkic chieftain named Osmanli in Anatolia, which is modern-day Turkey. From these humble beginnings, his successors, the sultans, built one of the most powerful empires in history. They conquered Constantinople in 1453, renaming it Istanbul and making it their glorious capital. Under leaders like Suleiman the Magnificent, the empire reached its peak, becoming a global center for art, science, and culture. Its influence stretched from the gates of Vienna to the shores of the Indian Ocean. But like all great empires, it faced challenges and eventually declined, officially ending after World War I. The legacy of the Ottomans, however, still echoes through the region's culture, architecture, and cuisine today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this quick history lesson, hit that like button and subscribe for more.